Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Having this giraffe wall art will bring a sense of relaxation to your abode. Bring a sense of relaxation and giraffes into your home with this giraffe wall art. The serene image of a giraffe in a natural setting is sure to bring a bit of calm into your space. The muted colors will also help to create a more tranquil atmosphere. Whether you hang it in your living room, bedroom, or home office, this giraffe wall art is sure to promote a sense of peace and serenity. So go ahead and give yourself the gift of giraffe wall art today. Your mind and body will thank you for it. The distinctive design of this art piece will surprise your visitors. Your visitors will be surprised by the giraffe wall decor in your home. The design is distinctive and eye-catching, and it's sure to add a touch of personality to any room. The giraffe wall decor is made of high-quality materials, and it's been designed to last. It's easy to install, and it comes with all the necessary hardware. The giraffe wall decor is the perfect way to add a touch of personality to your home. This giraffe wall decor is the ideal way to show your appreciation and support for our great artists. The giraffe canvas prints are produced by professional artists in town. The artisans used high-quality materials to create this artwork. By purchasing this wall art, you are supporting these artists' passion and livelihood. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns of the giraffe make it a beautiful addition to any home or office. Hang it in your living room to add a touch of elegance, or give it as a gift to a friend or family member who loves giraffes. With its unique design, the giraffe canvas print is sure to be a conversation starter. Order yours today and show your support for local artists. Because of its durability, this giraffe wall art may endure a lifetime. Canvas prints are a popular choice for wall decor, but they can be susceptible to fading over time. However, this giraffe canvas print is made with UV-resistant ink, meaning it will retain its vibrancy for decades. The print is also touch and water resistant, making it highly durable. Additionally, the materials used are non-toxic, so it is safe for all members of your family. With its sophisticated design and timeless appeal, this giraffe print will make a stylish addition to any room in your home. This is an excellent gift for everyone who adores giraffes. This giraffe wall decor is an excellent gift for anyone who adores giraffes. It is a beautiful piece of art that features a giraffe in its natural habitat. The giraffe is depicted in shades of brown and orange, with a green background. The giraffe is standing tall and proud, looking out over the savanna. This piece of art is sure to brighten up any room it is placed in, and it makes a great conversation starter. Anyone who receives this giraffe wall decor will be sure to appreciate it. Tailored Canvas's quality and originality will impress you. At Tailored Canvases, we understand that the way you choose to decorate your home says a lot about your personal style. That's why we offer a wide range of wall art, from giraffe canvas art to abstract pieces. No matter what your taste, we have something that will suit your needs. Our canvases are made from high-quality materials and are handcrafted by skilled artists. We also take pride in our customer service and are always happy to help with customization or any other questions you may have. So if you're looking for the best wall art, look no further than Tailored Canvases.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.